By default, LearnDash only allows you to mark lessons as complete and not mark them as incomplete. So perhaps if you ticked the mark complete by accident, students wouldn't have a means of unticking that. But they do have a feature that allows you to enable this. If you head to the dashboard under LearnDash LMS, and then courses, if you head to the settings tab here, there is an option here called Mark Incomplete Enabled. And it says if it's enabled, it allows mark lesson and topic as incomplete available here. So I'm just going to click on Save. And now if I go to one of my courses that I have marked complete here, perhaps this one, and then click into one of the topics, what we have here is a Mark Incomplete option available too. So I'm going to click that, and what you can see here is that it is now marked that as incomplete. And notice here we can just toggle between those and mark it as complete and incomplete here.